RDDT down 8.27%. It has recovered from its intraday low of $197.5. However, it still has a probability of it has a 40% probability of testing the lows of around $183.5, and even the downward projections go all the way down to $144.6. The extrapolation of its three-period moving average is saying that some consolidation may remain in place at least up till the pre-market session of Friday, the 3rd of October. And after that, in the regular session of that day, it may decline further and then stabilize from Monday's regular session up till up to Tuesday midday of Tuesday, this the 7th of October. This extrapolation is going all the way towards so many points in the future. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. Margin of error is very high. Price pressure momentums are severely bearish, but are gradually improving. The loss at some point was around 10%. So this means that the positions opened 4 hours to 84 hours ago are totally in the red right now, as things stand right now. However, the 200 period moving average is still trending, indicating that the structure of the stock is still intact. The underlying trend, the bullish trend is still the underlying the underlying trend, which is a bullish one, is still very much intact. So, but if it goes to test the lows of around $183, then it may reverse this 200 period moving average. The trend may be reversed, and it may leave the trend mode it has right now into a bearish slope, into a bearish trend. But right now, everything still remains strongly bullish on this 4 hour chart. So this is a 4 hour chart. It's more of an amplification of the daily chart. So as things stand right now, even with all the weakness has been showing since Thursday, the 18th of September, it's still the underlying trend is still bullish and still very much intact. Okay, so we also have its market grid. Let's have a look at that market grid. The market grid just gives you a price range that it's expected to trade within. However, given the dramatic events that have happened now, the stock is, I think it may be coming back into it. Before now, it wasn't. Yeah, let's see what's going. Yeah, it's coming back into it now. It's but still in the support zones. You can see that the price is at 212.85. This is where it is. It's rebounding. Yeah, it's just above now. So with the trajectory to the upside, then we can say that the probability of it testing this resistance of 217.58 is improving. Yeah, it is improving. I think we can even say, let's see what we can say that probability is I think, yeah, it has a 65% chance of um, yeah, holding the sort of level, yeah, or even testing 217. It has it. But anything beyond 217, I think we're looking at a 25% chance of doing so. A rebound to the highs of around 233 will be a complete recovery. And before now, projections went as high as 274.22. Yeah, this was as of yesterday. Yeah, and I think even before then, we had up to 305.73. Yeah, so yeah, it's improving. It's recovering. It's rebounding. Let's see. Even on the 1 hour chart, we might see a recovery there now. Yeah, I can see the trajectories to the upside. Stock has just pivoted, and the extrapolation is saying that it's going to rebound and stabilize. So we have here its current price 212.25. It's where this is where it is now. It isn't. Is improving. It's in the resistance zone, and yeah, the buying picture is gradually fading away. Yeah, buying they buy the deep opportunities gradually fading away as things stand right now in a very short time. But if it does reject this bounce, and um, if it does reject this bounce and tests the low of 183, it may provide a buying opportunity. Yeah, it may provide a buying opportunity, and you have targets of around your targets will be something like let's see, your targets will be something like 209 to 211, 215, 220, 222, 2222, and then a full recovery will be something like 233 to 245 and even higher prices. So yeah, that's what's going on. We don't have any news concerning RDDT right now, Reddit stock. We don't have any update as to what's behind this weakness. Okay, so you can see the recovery is improving further. The loss is now 7.84%. It has recovered around 1% or thereabouts. Okay, so let's see what's going on. 211.97. Let's see whether people are expecting higher prices to print. Yeah, 212.16. Yeah, so this is the pre-market session. Nothing much is the participation is not very high at the moment. So yeah, just have a look and see what you make of RDDT, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.